Are you tired of learning online? Take your skills to the next level with hands-on training at Midwest Technical Institute. Start your path to a medical assisting career at MTI, where you'll receive hands-on training in medical labs that simulate real working environments. Get trained in assisting on EKGs, X-rays, first aid, phlebotomy, and more. You'll learn from instructors with real-world healthcare experience. Complete an externship with a local employer. Study and hang out with your classmates on campus. Get access to the resources you need to successfully complete your medical assisting training in less than a year, including one-on-one instruction, tutoring, resume writing workshops, and certification exam prep. Lifetime job placement assistance is available to all graduates who qualify. Feel confident in your new skills. Take off in your new career at MTI.